Today's video is for everyone who's ever asked, can I really make money online if I have no skills? The answer is yes. In fact, 2025 offers more opportunities than ever before to earn online. No degree, no fancy resume, no special training needed. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, between jobs, or just want to earn extra cash, this video is for you. Stick around as I show you 7 easy ways to make money online, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get into it. 1. Online surveys and market research. Simple and fast. The easiest place to start is with paid surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Toluna pay users to answer simple questions. You won't get rich, but you can earn $5 to $15 a day just by sharing your opinion. Some also pay you to watch videos, play games, or test new products. It's a great way to earn a little cash while watching TV or waiting in line. All you need is a smartphone or laptop and some spare time. 2. Selling digital downloads. No inventory needed. If you know how to use free tools like Canva, you can start creating digital products today. Think about templates, planners, journal pages, resume formats, or educational printables. Upload them to Etsy or Gumroad and set your price. You only have to create the product once, and it can sell over and over again. 3. Affiliate marketing. Without a website, affiliate marketing means earning commissions by recommending products. You don't need a website to start. Use platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts to share content that includes affiliate links. For example, review Amazon gadgets or share helpful tools from affiliate networks like ShareASale or Impact. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. 4. Reselling items online. From free to profit, reselling is one of the fastest ways to make money with zero experience. Go through your home and find items you no longer use: books, clothes, toys, gadgets. List them on marketplaces like Facebook, eBay, Poshmark, or OLX. You can also find free or cheap items at garage sales or thrift stores and flip them for a profit. 5. Micro tasks and online gigs. Quick and flexible websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Microworkers pay you for tiny tasks. These include tagging images, filling forms, transcribing audio, or verifying data. Each task pays a small amount, but they add up fast when you work consistently. You don't need experience, just attention to detail. 6. Customer service or chat support jobs. Many companies now hire remote customer support agents with no prior experience. All you need is a reliable internet connection and basic communication skills. You'll be trained on scripts and systems and help customers via email, chat, or phone. Websites like Remote.co, Indeed, and Upwork list part-time and full-time opportunities. 7. AI-powered tools and automation services. Even without tech skills, you can use AI tools to provide services for others. For example, use ChatGPT to write product descriptions, generate blog posts, or create ad copy. Use tools like Canva or CapCut to design thumbnails or edit short videos. Offer these services on Fiverr, Freelancer, or People Per Hour. Many clients just need quick, affordable help with tasks that AI tools now make easy. Start with one, commit for 30 days, and track your progress. Choose what fits your time, personality, and comfort level. Once you start earning, reinvest some of your profits into better tools or learning more. That's how you turn a small online hustle into something powerful. Let me share a quick personal insight. When I started, I didn't have any special skills or a big following. But I took one step at a time. I made my first $10 online from a simple survey. Then I flipped an old phone for $80. Then I made my first digital product sale while I was sleeping. That's when I realized, this is possible. If you're consistent, patient, and willing to learn, you can grow faster than you think. Thank you for watching this video on 7 easy ways to make money online in 2025 with zero experience. If you found something here you want to try, hit the like button to let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real, simple, and actionable content on earning online, personal growth, and financial freedom. We post new videos every week to help you take control of your time and income. Until next time, remember, you don't need permission. You don't need a resume. You just need to start where you are, with what you have. One hustle, $1, one breakthrough at a time. Stay focused. Stay consistent, and keep moving forward. Let me know if you'd like this as a downloadable script, blog version, or short-form caption breakdown for TikTok or Instagram.